Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka with Makaz Home. I'm back with another haul from the Stamp and Scrapbooking Expo that was held here in Mesa, Arizona here in September a couple weeks ago. And so this was another haul that I did from Eyelets Outlet and Brad's. They are usually there every year. Usually I stock up on stuff, especially these flowers. I like these layered flowers because you can layer them you know, all one color, or you can interchange the colors. They're different shaped petals. And sometimes I would just blend some color on the outsides to darken up the outsides. So I got a few of these, and I think everything here was $1 each. I believe so. So let me see. Yep. So I got a bucket I can throw this stuff in. So I got these flower shape in turquoise. I got this one's in yellow. This one in yellow. It's probably the same shape. And then I got these two different shades of pink in the same shape. I got this shade of pink in this shape. And then this green in this shape. And the orange in that shape. And then I also picked up some eyelets. I like these bigger eyelets because it's easier for me to do the dangles off of. So I got a few colors. And these were $1 each. And then I got a few of these faceted gemmies. They make great flower centers, so that's why I got them to use for those. And then I got some of these buttons, the star ones, and they have adhesive on the back. So that was my Eyelets Outlet haul. I also picked up this set from Scrappy Boy Stamps. He has a new set that just was released, I believe, and it is this. Let me zoom in. Oh, I cut the so it would fit. But it is the Mary Poppins stamp and die set. So this is the die set that I got. And here are the stamp sets. Let me get a white sheet of paper so you can see this better. So you got Mary holding her umbrella and her carpet bag. You got her balloon, her kite. You got, oh my gosh, Mary. You got Lin-Manuel, the Leary, holding his brush for the fireplace. It says precocious. It says practically perfect in every way. It says let's go fly a kite. Pish posh. It says your, and it says heads up and feet beneath you. Says there's no way to go but up. Supercalifragilistic, delightful, and here's Mary with her umbrella extended, and then Jane and Michael Banks, and then the you know, like I said, the dies to cut those out. So that is from Scrappy Boy Stamps. That's him. How cute. But that's where you can find him. And that's where you can purchase the dies. So I got that. And then we received the penguin at the make and take. You can only get the penguin at the Expo. What else? What else? What else? I did also shop at Rubbernecker. And they had a deal as well. If you bought 5 of these, you got 1 free. So of course, what did I do? Bought 5, got 1 free. They were $12 each. And they're monochromatic, of course. So they're great for blending. That's what I bought them for. I bought some stencils I'm going to show you. I got from another vendor. And that's what I bought these for, to use with those stencils. So now I need to have a way to organize these. To figure out how I'm going to organize them. So if you have any suggestions, like all in one spot, not individually in these things. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. I also got this for free for spending a certain amount. This die. And I purchased this cloud stencil. It's only $6. And I got tired of like cutting out the clouds every time I wanted to stencil some clouds on some scratch paper. So I just figured this would be easier. And so that's the stuff I got from Rubbernecker. So if you like these videos, stay tuned for more. Please consider liking and subscribing for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.